mamo mo, me mamo mamo mamo, me mamo mamo mamo, me mamo.
Mickey on a railway picking up stones. Down came an engine and broke Mickey's bones. Ah, said Mickey, that's not fair. Oh, said the engine driver, I don't care.
Where's Bubbles? She's probably upstairs combing her hair so she can be the prettiest girl at the party. I'm gonna be the prettiest girl at the party.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's raining.
No, it's not.
I peed on myself.
What?
I peed on myself.
Oh, God.
A lot of people always like, Sharon's caring. Well, I guess I don't care about you then. You want some? You get your own. Don't touch it. I'll stab you.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink. La 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 la. Drink. La 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 la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.
Check it out. Ah! Whoa, what's the matter? What the hell is that? A killer robot monster? Ah! Stewie, relax. No, Brian, you keep that thing away from me. Is it looking at me? Can it see me? Man, you're really scared of this thing, huh? Ah! Cherry? Another cherry? Oh, what was I worried about? Oh, God!
I do a wish in a well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked at you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dime for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stand was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night, the wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, ¡llamen a la policía! ¡Me están matando!
Aku sayang, kamu juga sayang. Tapi sayang, kita berjauhan. Tahan, tahan.
Miss Rabbit has fainted. Miss Rabbit has fainted again.
Alright, class, and that is why 6ix9ine cannot run for president. Does anyone have any questions? Nah, just sleep. Jamal Jackson, I know you're not sleeping during my lesson. Nah, Jit said his whole government name. What? Everybody's sleeping. Why are you coming for me? I caught you, not them. What? So you don't see him right next to me. Look. Nah, what is Jit dreaming about? Dude, there's no reason to get loud with me. I looked up and I saw you sleeping. I didn't see anything else. Nah. You know what? Alright, bro. My bad. Now back to what I was saying. Jamal Jackson, is there a reason you are talking during my lesson? Nah, Jit, tripping. Bro, the whole class is talking. What do you got against me? Oh, now he's yelling at me. I can't believe this. You know, I never have this problem with the other students. Nah, Jit need help. ASAP.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink. La 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 la. Drink. La 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 la.